many stunning locations can you discover in a single day? That's the question of the day for today. The knowledge that tranquility is always nearby fuels my spirit. The calmness of the surroundings generally enchants my heart. Where are you from, and what are your favorite places to go that ease your soul? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely want to know, because everywhere seems to be beautiful and so very great. And we are all very truly blessed for this. I hope you all have a blessed day. Love you guys.